At virtual SRMUN, delegates may move for a suspension of the meeting for an unmoderated caucus, which requires no debate and a simple majority vote to pass. Instead of voting by placard, delegates may use Zoom's nonverbal feedback feature to vote either yes or no on this motion. If delegates vote in favor of the motion, the committee dais will open Zoom's breakout rooms and select the number of breakout rooms needed in the unmoderated caucus. The breakout rooms feature is not available for delegates until the dais presses open all rooms. The committee dais may rename several breakout rooms based on the themes from delegates' position papers or themes from delegates' working papers. There will be unnamed breakout rooms for other items of discussion. Within the Zoom app, delegates are able to jump into any of the open breakout rooms without the need to inform the committee dais of where to assign them. If you're using Zoom from a web browser, you are unable to automatically jump into any of the breakout rooms, and you have to notify the committee dais of which breakout room to assign you. For example, the delegate of Italy is using the Zoom app, and they're free to join any of the breakout rooms. Italy has moved into room 4 without having the host to assign them. The delegate of Jordan, however, is using Zoom on the web browser. Jordan would need to inform the committee dais as to which room they would like to enter. Members of the committee dais and other SRMUN staff will continuously visit each breakout room to ensure decorum and discussions are diplomatically moving along. You are now viewing the Zoom Client for Meetings app from a delegate's computer. In this example, it's the delegation of Italy. In a moment, the committee dais will turn on the breakout room feature. With the breakout rooms feature now on, delegates may select which breakout rooms they want to enter. Once a delegate decides which room to enter, they will press join and confirm which breakout room they want to enter. And they are now in the breakout room. Within their breakout rooms, delegates will encounter similar functions as their formal sessions, such as the nonverbal feedback feature and the raise hand function. Delegates can also use the chat feature, and the share screen will be turned on during unmoderated caucuses. While in one breakout room, delegates may jump into a different breakout room. The option will appear, select join, and once again confirm the room that you want to enter. And once again, the same functions will appear. Within breakout rooms, you will see the Ask for Help feature. Pressing this, a member of the dais will then join you in your breakout room. Do note, your committee dais may be occupied with other committee matters, such as editing working papers or visiting other breakout rooms, so it may take a moment for a staffer to visit your breakout room. Lastly, delegates will see Leave Room. Two options will appear: Leave Meeting, which will allow you to leave the entire meeting, or Leave Breakout Room. If you press on Leave Breakout Room, you will be directed back to the main committee room. You are now viewing the Zoom app from a mobile device. It's from a delegate's perspective, in this case, Italy. In a moment, the committee dais will turn on the breakout rooms feature, and it will appear in the upper left-hand corner. The breakout rooms feature is now on. The delegate may tap on the button and see the multiple rooms available for this unmoderated caucus. In this case, Italy will go into room 4. It may take delegates a few extra seconds to actually enter the room. And they have arrived. In this unmoderated caucus and in any room, the share screen feature will be on for delegates. They are free to use their own screen, photos, iCloud Drive, Dropbox, Google Drive, and other locations. Within the mobile app, delegates will have the same participants features such as raise hand, the nonverbal feedback voting feature, and more. Delegates can jump into any other breakout room. In this case, let's go to room number 2. Once again, it'll take a few seconds to get there, and they have arrived. Delegates may press leave. If they select leave breakout room, they will return to their main committee room.